The earth is shifting under me, a quiet call to set me free. What I've held tight begins to fade, a stronger peace in change is made. Ground beneath the stars, I find my way through gentle storms that guide my day. I learn to bend, not break apart, finding truth within my heart. I once built walls of gold and stone, but love can't bloom where roots won't grow. Now I trade the weight of old for dreams that shine in fields of gold. Let the wind take what's not mine. New foundations redefine in stillness now. My soul can see the strength in what I choose to be. Ground beneath the stars, I find my way through gentle storms that guide my day. I learn to bend, not break apart, finding truth within my heart. Ooh.